Hi, MT here. Today we're going to cover some CareProfiler dashboard basics. Before we dig into anything, make sure you're using the browser Chrome. This will help make sure everything shows up properly on your screen. If you're a first-time user, you'll have received an activation email from your supervisor. Go ahead and log into your email account, most likely your work email. Find the activation email and click it open. Here you will be prompted to create your password. After creating your password, go ahead and fill in the additional information that is specific to you. You will then be taken to the dashboard. If you're an existing user, open up the webpage careprofiler.com/login. Remember to go through the browser Chrome. It's a good idea to bookmark this browser for any continued use. If you ever need help resetting your password or you forgot your username, there is a feature button titled Forgot Username and Password. If you click that, you will receive a link in your email to reset it. If you have trouble with that, check in with your administrator, your supervisor, or your direct manager. They can also help reset it. And of course, email our support team as needed at support@careprofiler.com. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.